little smart kids.
Ah! Oh no! Not that!
1 hour before the explosion. It was getting dark, the city lights are on, and our friend Handy Andy is also going home.
Hello, my friends. A couple more blocks and I'll be home. What's that? What's going on there? Hey, what are you doing? The police car hit me. Take a look at what happened to my racing car now. The passenger door and the fender are damaged. It's not good. I see that other cars were also cut off, not just me. Okay, that's it. I'm calling the police to complain. Hello? I'm registering a complaint for your police car. They're breaking the rules. They're cutting off other cars. What happened to them? People can suffer from that.
Is that you, Handy Andy? We're sorry. We have unexpected situations. The thieves who robbed the supermarket and had your friend Emmy as a hostage, they escaped. They somehow broke the gate of the detention facility and attacked the security. The thieves stole the police car and drove away. They even broke the fence at the police station. Moreover, I think now they're trying to escape from the city. We've started the investigation. We announced the stolen police car is wanted, but we don't even know where to look for the thieves.
I know where they're going. The shortest way to escape the city is across the bridge. Send all the police cars to the bridge. I'm following them.
Be careful, Handy Andy. The thieves are very dangerous and they have weapons.
I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to the bridge, my friends. I have to catch the thieves before they can leave the city. Here they are, on the bridge. Why did they stop? Something's wrong here. I should try to get closer. Where are the police? Why does it take them so long to come? What can I do alone?
We're almost there, Handy Andy. Wait, we're coming in a few minutes.
The thieves stopped on the bridge. What should I do? They will go now, that's it. The chance will be gone.
Try to follow them, however, don't get too close to them.
The thieves are leaving. Hurry up, fast! They're leaving. I'm going to check. Why did they stop on the bridge? A bomb? No way! The thieves attached the bomb to the bridge? Everything's going to explode. Oh my gosh, I have to go from here. Everyone, go back. There's a bomb on the bridge. Repeat, there is a bomb on the bridge. Ah, not that!
Andy, are you here? Can you hear me? Andy, answer me. Hello? Can you hear me? Calling all cars. All available cars go to the bridge. The bomb exploded there. It was a powerful explosion and a person was injured.
I've got your message. I'm going there.
You're alive! How do you feel? The ambulance is here. The doctor's going to help you. Hello, let me check you in case you have some serious injuries.
I'm fine. Don't worry. My car was thrown by a blast wave, but I got off with some small scratches. However, the car is very damaged. Moreover, the robbers managed to escape. I couldn't stop them. And now I have no idea how to find them. The bridge is blown up. We wasted a lot of time. Only a miracle can help us catch those criminals.
Chin up, Handy Andy. Those criminals will never escape from us. We're going to look for them by air, too.
That's right. My flying Megamax is fixed. I'm going to get it now and search for the bandits.
Calling all cars, calling all cars. I'd like to ask for the helicopter to come to the bridge now. Can you hear me? Over.
I understood you. Coming right now. I'll be there in a few minutes. Out.
I'm coming now. Start looking for the criminals.
I'm here. Starting to check the district. Flying over the bridge. Out.
I've already flown a few blocks and nothing. The criminals just disappeared. Keep looking.
I have no results yet. Keep looking. They will not escape from us.
They couldn't just fly away. Where could they hide? We're looking from all the sides. Stop! I think I found them.
Calling all cars. The chase car was found under the overpass. The lights are on. There's no movement beside the car. Out.
Understood. I'm in a hurry to you. We're going to surround and catch them.
The car is empty. There is no body to catch. The criminals managed to escape again.
Everything's quiet. The doors are open in the car, but nobody's here.
Yes! We're late again! It's just impossible! The criminals are always one step ahead of us.
So, we need to decide what to do next. Where could the bandits go?
It seems like they're playing with us. We're always behind them. How long will they trick us? What should we do?
Calling all cars. The central safe was just hacked into in the First City Bank. A big sum of money and golden bars were stolen.
It's our bandits! Now we will catch you for sure. Let's go!
I'm following them. Guys, let's intercept.
We're coming, Handy Andy. We'll surround them. The bandits will be in a trap.
Attention, gray truck! Stop immediately!
You are surrounded. Give up. Oh, yes. Difficult bandits we've got here. They don't even think to give up. You can't escape now. You better give up. You are surrounded. Stop the engine and come out of the truck one by one. Keep your hands up. I repeat, you are surrounded. Get out of the car immediately.
Ah!
What is going on here? Did they blow themselves up in the truck? We have to take them out of the truck immediately. They can suffocate. Where are they? Where did they go? Moreover, they took a part of the stolen money. They couldn't just fall under the ground, could they? I see. The explosion of the truck was a tricky move to distract us. We're running to help them, but they moved to the abandoned tunnel. Do they think that they tricked everybody? Ha! I know where this tunnel is going. Be ready, my friend. Aha! I've got you!
At last, we caught them. This crazy chase is over.
We did it! These robbers will be in prison for a long time. Thank you very much for your help.
You can find coloring papers on the link with the description of the cartoon. Subscribe to our channel and you'll never miss any new cartoons. And make sure to like it. See you later, my friends.